Alexa, make a fart sound. It's a different one.
Brooklyn, you nearly ready?
Yeah, I'm coming. Can't believe this is our first double date.
I know. So did you guys meet?
Huh?
Woody, Lucy.
Hi.
What's that smell?
Babe, what's going on? You think you need to...
I don't really do that.
Babe, you don't fart? Come on.
Listen, I'm not gonna be the first one to fart in this relationship.
I'll go first then. How about that?
All right, yeah, go for it.
All right.
Okay. That wasn't so bad.
Come on, we've been together, what, 6 months already? It's okay.
I feel so much better.
Wonder how many there are. Alexa, make a fart sound. Stop recording me. Alexa,
You're just so happy.
make a fart sound. What was that?
And you're like, stop recording me. Yet you keep telling our echo to fart.
Alexa, make a fart sound.
Well, well, well. Oh, shit. Look at this chump. Pick it up. Daddy go bye-bye, nerd.
Everyday Rodney, 0-2 counts. He shakes the first one off. Jim, did you see that? He just tooted. The pitch. It's going. 2-3, you're out of here. That's the game, folks.